Hook. Here's the quiet shift most AI coverage keeps missing. The next real advantage in coding is probably not a shinier model. It is the boring-sounding control layer that lets a team use all the shiny models without turning the company into a very expensive haunted house. What happened? Databricks just launched coding agent support in Unity AI Gateway. In plain English, it is trying to become the switchboard for AI coding tools like Codex, Cursor, Claude Code, and Gemini CLI. The pitch is not glamorous. It is governance, one place for security controls, audit logs, cost limits, visibility, and managed MCP access. And that sounds like admin oatmeal until you notice what is actually happening inside engineering teams. Developers are no longer picking one blessed assistant and marrying it for life. They are mixing tools constantly. One model is better at search, another at refactors, another at speed, another at not setting the server on fire. That flexibility is useful. It is also a compliance nightmare wearing a productivity hoodie. Why it matters. The hidden advantage here is simple. The company that can safely let developers use multiple agents will move faster than the company still stuck in approval theater. If every new coding tool needs a fresh security review, a finance panic, and a policy memo written in the tone of a disappointed substitute teacher, adoption slows to a crawl. Databricks is betting that the practical winner in this phase of AI is the platform that says yes faster, because it can watch everything, meter everything, and shut things down when needed. That is a much more valuable promise than our model is slightly smarter on benchmark number 47. Escalation. This is also a power move. Once the tool explosion begins, the control point matters more than the individual tools. If one gateway can manage access to internal docs, trace agent behavior, and put all the spend on one bill, the gateway becomes the thing enterprises standardize on. The assistants become replaceable. That is a quiet but brutal shift. It turns model vendors into ingredients and turns governance into leverage. Verdict. So my read is this: Databricks is not really selling admin software. It is selling permission to move. The underdog edge for smart teams is not chasing every new coding agent one by one. It is building a layer that lets them try many of them without losing the plot. In this market, the flashy demo gets attention. The control layer gets adoption. And adoption, annoyingly, is where the real power usually hides.